Welcome students. Good morning. Today we are going to study about the area of a circle. So how do you find the area of a circle? Area of a circle is equal to pi r square units. Now we are going to see the exercise 2.2. First question, find the area of the dining table whose diameter is 105 centimeter. The dining table is shape of the circle. Shape of the circle means what do you find? To find the area of the dining table. How do you find the area of the circle? What is given in the problem? Given diameter is equal to 105 centimeter. What do you find to find the radius of the circle? How do you find the radius of the circle? Half of the diameter is called the radius of the circle. So 105 divided by 2. Now we are going to find out the area of the circle. So how do you find the area of the circle? What is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square units. It's a pi, you have to put it what? 22 by 7 into r. R is equal to 105 by 2 into r square. We have to write in the 2 times 105 by 2. Next we are going to see that one 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into 105 by 2. So how do you find that one? Is here 22 by 7. So how do you write that one? 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into 105 by 2. Okay, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. Can you understand? Next 7 table, 7 ones are 7. Next 105, 7 15s are 105. Next 11 into 15 into 105. We are going to multiply by that one. Is a 17,325 divided by 2. Can you understand? It's 11 into 15 into 105. Multiply all these numerators. 11 into 15 into 105 is equal to 17,325 divided by 2. Now we are going to division. How many times 17 goes into 2? It's 8 times. 8 2s are 16. Then balance 1. Add to 3. 13. How many times? 8 6 are 12. Then add balance 1. Add to 2. 12. 8 6 are 2 6 are 12. Next 5 is how many times is going on? 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Next balance 1 is a put a point. Then add to 0. So how many times? 2 5s are 10. That is the answer one. 8,662.5 square centimeter or centimeter square. Area of the dining table is equal to 8,662.5 centimeter. Then second question. What is the second question? Calculate the area of the shot put ring whose diameter is 2.135 meter. Its diameter is that. You know the shot put means it's a circular shape. That is the circular shape means you have to find the area of the circle. How do you find the area of the circle? Pi r square units is a formula. So what is given in the problem? Diameter is given. Diameter is equal to 2.135 meter. So 2.135 meter. How do you find the r? R means half of the diameter. So okay, diameter is called the radius, or say 2.135 divided by 2. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. Instead of pi, you have to put it what? 22 by 7 into 2.135 divided by 2 into 2.135 divided by 2. Can you understand all of you? Next one, we are going to see that one is a 22 by 7 into 2.135 divided by 2 into 2.13 by divided by 2. It's a 2 times 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 12. That is 7 one time. Here 0.305. Okay. Next we are going to multiply 11 into 0.305 into 2.135 multiply by, that is the answer is 7.162925 divided by what? 2. So you have to divided by 2 means, so how many times? 3 2s are 6. 3 point. Next one, how many times? 5 times 11. 5 2s are 10. Then balance 1 16. 5 8s are. Next one, 2 is 1 time. Okay. Next 9 is how many times? 4 times. Okay, we are going to take the 3 digit number only. About 3.581 meter square. Can you understand all of you? Say yes or no? Yes. You have to see that one. Is we are going to move on the next question, third question. This is the third question. What? The sprinkler placed at the center of a flower garden sprays water covering a circular area. If the area watered is 1386 centimeters square, find its radius and diameter. Is the flower garden sprays the water covering a circular area. Upper area water is given. So 1386 centimeters square. So what do you find to find the radius and the diameter? So how do you find the radius and the diameter? So area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. Area of the circular portion watered is equal to 1386 centimeters square. So area of the circle means pi r square is equal to 1386. Pi we have to put it 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 1386. This is r square in left side, then 22 by 7 go to the right side, that is the reciprocal. Fraction is there, is a multiply and reciprocal of the second one. Okay, this is how do you find that one? So 1386 into 7 by 22. So how do you find that one? Is that 1786 is divisible by 2. 22 also is divisible by 2. How many times? 11 times. Okay, 11 2s are 22. Next one, 6 times. 6 2s are 12. Next balance 1. Add to 8 18. This is how many times? 6 9s are 18. So balance what? 3. This is 6. This is 6 one. How many times? 2 3s are 6. Okay. Next one, 11th table. 11 ones are 11. 11 6 are 66. Can you understand? Then balance 3. Add to 3. 11 3s are 33. Next is 63 into 7 is there. 63 r square is equal to this one r square. R square is equal to 63 into 7. R equal to, this is square root of r equal to square root of 63 into 7. Is 63 can be written as, how to write that one? 63 can be written as 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63 into 7. You have to put the square root. Next, 9 can be written as 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Can you understand all of you? 9 can be written as 3 into 3, 7 into 7. Is the square root 2 3s are there, you have to taking out 1 3. Is 3 into, then 2 sevens are there, you are taking out 1 7. Is 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Therefore r is equal to 21 centimeter. Can you understand all of you? Then we are going to find the diameter. How do you find the diameter? Diameter is equal to 2 times of r. For 2 into r, 2 into 21 is equal to 42 centimeter. Can you understand all of you? How do you find the radius of the circle, and how do you find the diameter? Next, we are going to move on the fourth sum. This is the fourth sum. The circumference of the circular park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. So what is given in this circumference of the circle? This in exercise 2.1 we are studying about the circumference of a circle. What is the formula for circumference of a circle? 2 pi r units. So given that circumference of the circular park is 352 meter, therefore 2 pi r is equal to 352 meter. Then how do you find that one? R. R is equal to, so find the area of the park. Area of the park, now we are going to find out the r, radius of the circle we have to find out. How do you find the area of the circle? So how do you find the area of the circle? So r is equal to 352 into this side, left side 22 by 7 going into right side is a reciprocal 7 by 22 into 2 by 1 is can be written as 1 by 2. Is how do you write that one? You are going to write that one. Is that 352 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 2. Can you understand? So 2 ones are 2. Here 2 ones are 2. Balance 1. 2 sevens are 14. Balance 1. 2 6 are 12. Next we are to going to cut it. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Again is a second table. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Can you understand? Next 11 table. 11 ones are 11. 11 8s are 56. 8 into 7 is equal to what? 56 square units. Is the area of the park, you know that. Sorry, or radius of the radius is equal to 56 meter. Then we are going to find out what? Area of the park. How do you find the area of the park? Area of the park is equal to pi r square units. Pi, instead of we have to put it what? 22 by 7 into r, already you have to find out what? 56 into 56 square meter. Then 7 cut 1 times, say 56 cut 7 ones are 7. We have to, then 56 cut you have to put it 8. Next 22 multiply by 8 into 56. We are going to multiply and got it 9,856 meters square. Therefore area of the circular park is 9,856 meters square. Next we are going to move on the fifth sum. What is the fifth sum? Fifth sum means is in a cross land a ship is detracted by a rope of length 4.9 meter. Find the maximum area that the ship can crash. What is given in the problem is a rope of length is given. Is a that the rope of a length, a ship is detracted by a rope of a length. That is a length of the rope is equal to 4.9 meter. That is called the radius of the circle. Okay, then what you find that one? We are going to find the area of the circle. How do you find the area of the circle? Area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. Then length 22 by 7 into 4.9 into 4.9 is we have to multiply. That is 22 by 7 into 4.9 into 4.9. How do you find that? 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. 4.9 is there. You have to write it for 0.7. Now we are going to write that multiply 22 into 0.7 into 4.9. 22 into 4.9 we are going to multiply that one 107.8 into 0.7 is a 107.8. we are having only one decimal place is there. 0.7 having only one decimal places is there. In answer we have to put right to left. You are marked two decimal places. That is the answer 75.446. Okay, that is 7546 will come. That is in decimal, how many decimal places are there? Two decimal places. In answer, we are marking from right to left, mark two decimal places. Okay, 75.46 meter square. Can you understand all of you? Yes. That next we are going to study about the next one. Next sums we are going to study the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.